TCSIN comes up with Career Age Young Professional Certificate course and you got this free certificate. Hello friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge. And today I am going to introduce a course which is very special for me because I start my channel with this course by introducing this course and by providing help to others. Let's see what is in this Young Professional Career Age Young Professional course of TCSIN. You can see about this course. TCSIN Career Age Young Professional is free to access 15-day career preparedness courses that has been designed with the intent to equip the youth of today with core employability skills to take on this future. The session of this course is total 2 weeks long and also commitment is 7 to 10 hours per week. So you only need to invest only 1 hour per day and course format is online self-paced course who would benefit undergraduates, graduates and postgraduates and also freshers. Prerequisite is nothing and also this course is totally free and you also got a free certificate, a handsome certificate from TCSIN for free for this course. So what you are going to learn in this course: behavioral skills, presentation and communication skills, effective resume designing and many more. So let's see the whole course syllabus. In module 1 and the day 1 you will learn the communication course and after that deliver presentation, develop soft skills, gain guidance from a career guru, write winning resume, stay ahead of group discussion, ace corporate interviews, learn corporate etiquette, writing of effective emails and many more which is related to career development and also for your job. And also there is an artificial intelligence course at the last. There are 2 modules of artificial intelligence from NAPTEL and after completing all this you find an assessment of 30 questions and when you complete there are 3 chances to pass that assessment and when you pass that you find this certificate with the whole details of the course, just like which courses you completed, what time you have taken and who the certification ID. So this certificate is just like the paid certificates which you got from any other learning sites for more than 4,000 to 5,000 by paying this type of amounts. And you can see one more time, this is a certificate as I am showed previously. And if you have any queries, any questions about this course, you can contact from that the contact information which I showed on the screen. And after that your frequently asked questions: what are the learning methods implemented in this course and how much time it have to spend this course. I initially mentioned, is there any assessment associated with this course? Yes, you find an assessment with each module, means you need to complete total 14 to 15 assessment and also there is a last assessment which is the important one and you need to complete that for getting certificate, means you need to pass that. And also are the exam states the course of objective type? Yes, you find all the questions subjective in this, objective not subjective, in this course. So just like I'm going to subscribe this and going to show you how to get this course on your dashboard for free. So you need to log in or need to create account if you are new user on TCSIN. So also there are more choices of your social media profiles. By that you can log in and when you subscribe this course, when I entered this, when I logged in on my profile, you can find this. And after that you need to agree with the privacy policies and terms of use and privacy notice of TCSIN. There are 3 types of privacy policies and you need to okay with all of that, means you need to accept all the terms and conditions for getting any course for free or for paid on TCSIN. And after that you find here that this course is already subscribed and when you tap on subscribe button you find all the course material. So here you can one more time you can just review and after that when you tap on subscribed you find your dashboard where you got all the courses which you completed, which you accessed. And also one most important thing is You can download as much time, as much your certificate you want, because there is no limitation here. Once you completed the course, you can download by just login on your account. And if you want the answer of this course, you got here. You can see here on my channel there is a specific playlist for this, and you find all of this, the answers of all the days from day 1 to day 14, and also for the final assessment. You can see here already more than 30,000, more than 150,000 students are seeing this type of assessment. You can also be a part of that family, and you can also get this certificate for free. That's much in this video. Thanks.